Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our topic is how to make online Quran classes for kids effective. Childhood is the prime time for Muslim children to learn how to read and recite the noble Quran. In the current computer age, online Quran learning via platforms such as Quran Academies like QuranForKids are gaining popularity. This begs an answer to the question how to make online Quran classes for kids effective. This article will address this question with practical suggestions and solutions such as the following. Select a tutor with good knowledge of the Holy Quran. The tutor must have the right attitude towards students. Parents should set an example by reading the Quran often. Classes and activities should be monitored by parents. Children should do daily revision of their Quran lesson. And QuranForKids is an ideal online Quran academy. With a little effort from both parents and online Quran tutors, an effective program for learning the Quran can be devised. One that will both engage and enlighten, inshallah. If you wish to learn or study the Quran, you may go to our website QuranForKids.com or contact us on the given phone numbers. If you enjoyed the video, like and share it, leave a comment underneath, and do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.